Hello, my name is Shafira Herliana. I am from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. My major is English department. So in this video, I would like to give the example of job interview in order to fulfill my public speaking 2 assignments. And if you like this video, you can give your thumbs up. And now let's go on to the video.
In our company and the position, I would like to use this interview productively to learn as much as possible about you in a relatively short period of time. I'm going to lead our conversation with questions, but you are more than welcome to jump in and to ask me whatever you might consider useful about the company or about the role. I'm also going to take a few notes on my laptop, and I hope that isn't too distracting. Let's start with tell me about yourself question. Who are you? What have you studied so far? What has been your experience?
Alright, sir. My name is Shafira Herliana. I have graduated from State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. My major was English department. And talking about my experience, I have such kind of experience. The first is the organization experience. I have joined the student organization in English department. The first year I was the staff, and then the second year I was the vice of the treasurer, and then the third year I was the treasurer. And then another experience is I have done my internship in Santika Premier Hotel as the cook helper. And then the third one is I have joined the CityVet program, which is about the student exchange for the Southeast students. So I was sent to Malaysia, especially in the Johor Bahru, to learn about the culture there and to do the internship, especially in Le Grandeur Hotel, Johor Bahru, Malaysia, as the waitress.
Okay, so why did you choose that particular major and at that particular school?
I chose State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya because I know that State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya is one of the good polytechnic in Indonesia. It is proven by in 2017, State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya was the second best polytechnic in Indonesia. And then in this polytechnic, I could learn 70% practice and 30% theory. So because I know that in the work field, I need the skill, so I choose Polytechnic as my college. And then talking about my major, I choose English department as my major because I love English and I know that English is very important, especially to apply for a job in the international company. The staff needs to speak English well and then write in English well. So that's why I choose English department as my major.
This interview, I guess you thought about what you do the best. What are your biggest strengths? And how do you think our company would benefit from them?
Public relations supervisor needs good communication skill to build the relation, whether in the company or outside of the company. And communication skill is one of my biggest strength. I have good communication skill in English and also in Indonesia because I have learned a lot about the communication in business while I was studying in State Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. And then my other strength is I can work in a team. So that's all about my strength.
What about your development areas? What do you have identified as your greatest and biggest improvement areas? And what have you done to improve them so far?
Talking about my weakness, I am a type of person that is easy to forget something, or I have a problem in short memory. So to handle it, I could make the list of my assignments, the list of my schedule, and then list to do every day. So I could finish all of my assignments before the due date because I have a list. So I will not forget my assignments.
I see on your resume that you had switched jobs not too long ago. Why did you leave your previous position?
Why do I leave my current job? Because I think that in this company I could get a lot of knowledge and a lot of skill, because I know that this company is the international company. So I'm looking for the new challenge. It doesn't mean that I leave my company, my previous company, because I don't like it. Actually, my company was very good company, but I am looking for a new challenge. So I moved to the international company, which is this company, to get a more challenge for me, and to get and to improve my skill better.
All right. Why are you interviewing with me today? What made you apply for this job and why do you want to work here?
I would like to work in this company because I'm sure that this company would improve my skill, because this company is one of the good international company, and honestly I haven't worked in the international company, so I would like to find out the challenge for me, and then I hope that by working in this company I could get a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience that is very useful for the future.
Now tell me about a time when you were in charge of a project with a deadline. Which was the project and how did you meet the deadline?
Well, talking about the deadline, actually deadline is a very common word for me. I meet this kind of word during my study and also my current job. And how do I deal with my deadline? The first is I keep it organized. Like I have to make a list of what are the assignments that I have to do first, second, third, and so on. And then the second one, I have to break the project down, or I could also say I could divide my project. So I will do my project or my assignments every day. Like for example, in today I would like to do my chapter 1, and then next day I would like to make the chapter 2, and so on. So because of that, it is I could handle the assignments before the due date or before the deadline.
Okay. So tell me about a time when you showed an initiative on the job. When was it and which was the outcome?
Well, talking about the initiative, it is initiative could be giving the ideas, could be giving the opinion inside the meeting. So I have done this kind of initiative during my current job, and I learned this knowledge since I was in the college, because I joined the student organization. So it is very necessary to give and share the opinion and also the ideas.
Communication skills helped you at your job. When was it and what did you do?
Well, sir, talking about the communication skill, I know that public relation needs a person that have a good communication skill. And as I have explained before, that communication skill is one of my strengths. So I have no problem with that, and I hope that I could give my best to this company.
Okay, now give an example of a situation where you had to deal with the conflict at work. What did it consist of and how was it resolved?
Well, talking about the conflict, so I was the HR staff in my previous company, and then at that time, I and my team and I held the training for all of the staff in the company. It is the public speaking training. So it is very necessary, because it could give the good impact for the staff. And unfortunately, in the day, I just met only a few staff that joined the training. So I was very sad at the time, and it was a conflict for me. And then I handled that by calling them into my room, and then I asked the question why didn't they join the meeting, the training. And then they answered with a lot of reasons, and after hearing that reason, I give the I give the information for them. Well, if the training is very important for the staff to make the company is good, and also to improve their skill, to improve their public speaking. And after that, when my team and I hold the second public speaking training, fortunately there are many staffs that joined the training, so I was success to give the explanation for the staff.
You know, we're currently interviewing more candidates. That's why I would like to ask you, why do you think we should hire you? And why do you think we should choose you over other candidates?
By looking at my experiences and also my strength, and honestly, public relations staff is one of my ambition. I really love public speaker. I really want to be a public speaker, and then yeah, I think those kind of those reasons are enough to choose me, or to give me this position.
Good then, thanks. Now, do you have any questions for me?
Okay, sir, I have 3 questions. The first question is, what is the happy moment? What is the happy part of being in this company? And then the second one, I would like to give the question, what is the biggest challenge being in the public relation department? And then the third one, would you like to give me the examples of the project that I must do in the public relation department? I think that's all.